going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Cap the Game, not your average gaming channel, of course. Now today there's a little update video. Basically I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly how on the external 5-inch display that I put into the PC case, how I literally get a video display wallpaper working. And to be honest with you, it's all software. It's a free program I use, so I'm going to be going through the program now and exactly how it works. Very simple to use. It's free, which is the bonus. I will have it linked in the description of this video where you can download it and you can put on pretty much any type of wallpaper you want. It can be any type of video. Not those sort of videos. I know some weird people out there. I know what you're thinking. But yeah, let's just go straight into the video and I'll show you. Alright guys, so this is my first screen. As you can see my monitor here. It has got a live wallpaper playing in the background. So all I'm doing to control this is using a software called mylivewallpapers.com. So now, to download this app is completely free, and you can see here I've got monitor A and monitor B. So this is my second monitor, which is showing the Stormtrooper video. My other monitor is showing a completely different one. You can click on display options, so you can set a single wallpaper across the monitors, duplicate it, etc. But we like to have two different wallpapers. You can add music and things like that and play around with the settings. But all you want to do to get the wallpaper, like the one I've got in the background, you just want to click on here, mylivewallpapers.com. And you can see here you got live wallpapers, and you can just click on any category you want. So TV and movies, for example. It will give you a preview of what the wallpaper will look like. So for example, this one here, the Mandalorian, click on it, hit the play button, and you can see it's a breathing one of him. All you want to do now is come here, hit the download button. It's completely free and it will download the file. Right, to get the actual software, once you come onto the website here, you want to click on the how to, click ML WAP, scroll down, and you want to download the app right here. Okay, exactly here, free to use. So download the app. Then once you download the app, you come to this website, put any video you want. So this is going to change the background now. So these are some that I've downloaded already. So let's try the Darth Vader one. And as you can see there, it's playing it. But notice there is, on the edges, a little bit of a black spot. That depends on the image itself. So we'll change that one now. And let's go for the Captain America and Iron Man. Perfect, there we go. And again, like I said guys, you can put any videos you want. It doesn't have to be just my live wallpaper. So for example, you can actually even choose something like that if you really wanted to. Looks pretty cool, you know. If you're a business as well, you want to have it, whatever you want to play. You can even have any video. So I've got God of War Ragnarok trailer playing in the background with audio as well. Right, we're going to take that off for now. Very simple and easy to use. Obviously, if you've got more than one monitor, it will hopefully detect it here. As it's saying, 2 monitors detected. The reason why it's saying 2 monitors is I have the 5-inch external display monitor currently disabled at the moment, just because I'm trying to reorganize where it is in the case. So once that's on here, you'll see 3rd monitor, so then you can just click on different monitor settings. I will show you now a different angle of the monitors actually changing, so stick around for that and let's have a look. So guys, that is the end of the video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I do hope you found it useful. Please do check out the link in the description of the video to where you can download the free program, and do check it out. It does look pretty cool, especially if you've got more than one monitor running. It doesn't really do anything else other than make it look pretty cool. And one thing I do I will say is when I am video editing or playing any PC games or anything like that, I do have it disabled. That is because it takes up quite a bit of memory and processing power and takes away from the GPU and things like that. So if you are gaming, if you are trying to do some editing, 4K videos, that sort of thing, my advice would be to disable it, and it will automatically run startup. So as soon as you turn your PC on, it will come on, but you can disable that, so you can turn it on when you want to. So that's what I've done at the moment. If you do like the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe up here. I'll be back with some more content for you guys. I am looking to get a Blue Yeti microphone, so I'm going to be doing a comparison video of the Blue Yeti microphone with an Amazon standard microphone to see the real difference and whether you should invest in a high-end microphone or just a standard one. So we'll do a sound test. So if you're looking forward to that, if you do want to see that, please do subscribe, and don't forget, we'll be back soon with some more gaming content. Thank you all for watching. Take care.